So next up is writing your first test, or actually running your first test, because we provide out of the box with Netpicker some sys policies for Cisco iOS and Cisco Wireless and an example CVE test. We're gonna take a random test from the sys library and run it on a live device. So I select a Cisco device from the list and I click Run. To give you an example of a failing test, I'm going to select this device again and run this different Cisco policy. As you can see, the result is not compliant. That means that the lines are not present in the configuration of this device. We provide a reference to the Cisco website which explains what you need to do to make your device compliant with the Cisco hardening rules. Now take a look at the CVE example. For this CVE, we parse the version number of the OS running on the device and compare it to see if it's vulnerable. Once you've run the tests, you can see the results in the results section. For each device and each test, we show the outcome of the test and give you a recommendation on how to fix it. You can view this either on a device level or on a policy level. Now let's write our first test. Tests are grouped in directories called policies. Click the Add Rule button, give your rule a name, select the severity, and select the platform for which the test is applicable. You can select multiple platforms here. For this rule, I'm going to choose the type simple rule so we can use the GUI for text comparison. In this example, I'm going to check if the text version is present in the device configuration. And it is, so this device is compliant. To give you an example of a failing test, I'm gonna put not in here in the text comparison box. And as you can see, this is not present in the device configuration. You can run individual tests by selecting them and click Run Rules. After a refresh, the test results will show up here as well.